Achievement.
Oh, my head.
10 people killed.
What is this place? What the hell? Just let me go. Okay, little boy?
Don't you little boy me. Oh.
Okay, now. Let's just calm down and try and figure out what happened here.
Oh, yes.
Holy shit!
You mean I didn't even get there?
How did you do that? It's the cross. That's what's affecting him.
That's like a boss.
This will keep you at bay.
Oh. Stuff him then. Are we getting strength first? Oh. Might as well just... few achievements there. This guy's far too curious.
The Book of Leviathan, Anton LaVey, Invocations to Satan? Prepare war, wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near, let them come up. Jesus, Dad, what were you getting into?
Don't ask.
Nancy, I think Lucius might be cursed. It's the only explanation I can find. Dad has been missing for weeks.
That was the most snobby sentence I've heard in my life.
Really crazy occult stuff. I can't rule out the possibility that my father had something to do with this. But we need to get Lucius to a psychologist to find out. He can't tell us anything himself.
Oh my God, Charles, have we not been through enough already?